Good morning, Vishal. Good morning, Sharmila. Your project is ready? Project is ready? Now we are going to go for today first question. Last class in quadrilateral we have solved 2 questions. Ashwin, good morning. Jiva, good morning. Now today's first question is PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram PQRS is a parallelogram. PX and QY are respectively the perpendiculars from P and Q. PX and QY are respectively the perpendiculars from P and Q. Px and Qy are respectively the perpendiculars from P and Q to SR and RS produced. Prove that Px equal to Qy. Solve this question. Prove that Px equal to Qy. So here you have to prove that Px equal to Qy. Okay. What you have to prove here? You have to prove here Px equal to Qy. So now we are going to draw this one. So first we will draw the parallelogram. PQRS parallelogram we will draw. Px and Qy. Check this one out. Perpendicular they are asking, so we have given perpendicular. Now how to prove this question? Come on, start doing. Yesterday you were helping me so much, so now today also I am expecting the help. First I am going to write given. In given section what I am going to say? PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. PX and QY are perpendicular from P and Q to SR and RS produced. Okay, so now whatever information has been given, yes, it is a parallelogram, and exactly what we are doing here is our first work is to say what is exactly given to us. Now after writing the given section, we are going to say that okay, this is coming as 90 degree and this is coming as 90 degree. We have to prove this is equal to this only one small work is there and you will be able to solve the question. Only one small work is there. First we will write to prove that px equal to qy. Now I want to ask question. First is, which part of the triangle we are going to take? Which triangle we are going to take? Come on, quickly tell me. Which triangle we are going to take? Which triangle? So I am going to write auntie in school today all formula test. Very good. So now look here. Most important thing is beta, to prove, when you are going to prove this part px equal to qy, first I am going to take this triangle, but before that I am going to say that okay, we know that angle PSR, this angle PSR and QRS. So these two angle, I am going to talk about this angle and this angle. These two angle, nowadays nobody after classes are submitting the notes. I am watching all of you very cleverly, don't worry. I am watching all of you very nicely. This one and this one. So exactly what is given, proof section we can start with and say that PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, PQRS is a parallelogram. After that we can say that angle PSR equal to angle QRS equal to angle QRS, PRS plus equal to angle QRS. Is it true? Is it true? Let's see who can say this. Is this one of the property of parallelogram? Who can say the answer? Good morning everyone. Just tell me, is this true? Is this true? Is this one of the property of parallelogram? First you tell me. Is this one of the property of parallelogram? Is this one of the property of parallelogram? Yes or no? Kanishka, it is opposite angles, but here I have taken these two adjacent angle. So in a parallelogram, sum of adjacent angle equal to 180 degree. In a parallelogram, sum of adjacent angle is coming as 180 degree. Okay, sum of adjacent angle will be coming as 180 degree. So angle PSR will become 180 degree minus angle QSR. So and now angle PSR, that angle will become 180 degree minus angle QRS. But what we are needing exactly? We are needing exactly this angle. Okay, so now my strategy is to make angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 for some work. Okay, so here this is angle 1 and this side is angle 2. So exactly my content is I have to make this angle 1 equal to this angle 2. Okay. Good morning Shika. This angle 1 equal to this angle 2. For making angle 1 equal to angle 2, I just have to say that this angle plus this angle will become equal to 180 degree because it is a case of linear pair. So now shall we start our work and say angle QRS plus angle QRY will be equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Now angle QRS. So here 180 minus angle QRS. So angle QRY will be equal to 180. I am going to shift this QRS that side. QRS. So angle QRY will be equal to 180 minus angle QRS. So this one is there. So QRY, QRS is exactly coming as, you see here, QRY is 180 minus angle, sorry, QRY, yes, QRY is 180 minus angle QRS, and 180 minus angle QRS is PSR. Using equation 1. Only this was the jackpot part. Now our question is going to solve in no time. Therefore angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. So this was the only work we have done, and one small work we have used, and that is we have used the concept that opposite sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram equal to 180 degree. So here sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram, that is parallelogram angle we have taken as 180 degree, means this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree because PQRS is our parallelogram. And after that what we said, these two are linear pair, then we connected angle 1 and angle 2. So finally we got angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So now we have to only go by triangle. Now only one small work we are going to do, and that is we are going to take triangle PQS in triangle PXS and triangle QYR. First thing is that angle 1 equal to angle 2 already proved. Okay, angle 1 equal to angle 2 already proved. Now angle PXS equal to angle QYR equal to 90 degree given. Now another thing is that we know in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. PS is equal to QR. So since it is already given property of parallelogram, by property of parallelogram, so we came to know that triangle PXS congruent to QYR by angle side, angle side. So by CPCT we can say PX is equal to QY by CPCT. PX is equal to QY by CPCT. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. This was a very simple question, and this question can come for 2 marks in your examination. This question can come for 2 marks in your examination. I hope you might have understood this theorem nicely. Finished. Shall we go for next question? Everyone, good morning. Wake up now. Next question is, they are telling that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is produced to E. AB is produced to E. AB is produced to E so that BE equal to AB. So that BE equal to AB. Prove that ED bisects BC. Prove that ED bisects BC. Now first how to draw. First we will be talking about ABCD as a parallelogram. So we will draw ABCD as a parallelogram. AB is produced to E. We produced AB to E such that BE is equal to AB. So the length of BE and AB equal. this length is equal to this length. Prove that ED bisects BC. So ED bisects BC, this is what we have to prove. Shall we take this point as O? Prove it. Let's see who can prove here, because nothing question, no big deal here. No big work is there. Do it. Do it. Think about it. What we are going to do here, given section is what? ABCD is a parallelogram. AB produced 2E. Such that B equal to AB. What we have to prove, that ED bisects BC. That is CO equal to OB. Proof part. In proof section, how we are going to start? In proof section, how we are going to start? Come on, quickly tell me. I am going to do one small work. We know that ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB will be parallel to DC. So we are going to say that since ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram, so AB will be parallel to DC. AB will become equal to DC. So this one will be parallel and this one will be equal to this one. Okay. So these two, because of property of parallelogram, this side will be equal to this side and this side will be parallel to this side. This is exactly property of parallelogram. Now, what we are going to say that if this is possible, then since now we are going to take this triangle. We are going to take this triangle DOC and BOE. So in triangle DOC and triangle BOE, what we are going to write? Triangle DOC and triangle BOE. First thing, we are going to say that since AB equal to DC, also AB equal to BE given, AB is equal to DC by property of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. See, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now AB will be exactly equal to BE. So from equation 1 and 2, we will write DC equal to BE. So one work to already we have done. Yes, angle side, absolutely correct, Vishal. So here DC is equal to BE we have done. DC is exactly equal to BE. Now vertically opposite angle, we can say this one. We can say that angle DOC will be equal to angle BOE by vertically opposite angle. Now next is beta, we know that this angle will become equal to this angle. Okay, so because this is parallel to this and BC will act as transversal, so now we can say that this angle will become equal to this angle, alternate interior angle, alternate interior angle. So we can say that angle DCB will be equal to angle EBC, alternate interior angle, alternate interior angle, alternate interior angle. So why we have written alternate interior angle? Since AB is parallel to DC and BC acts as transversal, and BC acts as transversal, and BC is acting as transversal. So now these two opposites are equal. So now angle side, we have this angle equal to this angle, we have this angle equal to this angle, and this side equal to this side. So by angle side, we can say triangle DOC is congruent to triangle BOE by angle side, and by CPCT. So what they told, now then we will say that CO will be equal to OB, one side of the triangle, by CPCT. Hence ED bisects BC. Hence ED bisects BC. I'm going to repeat, Kanishka. The part is exactly very simple. Here no big deal you have to do. So exactly what we started with this exactly concept that fine, a triangle is there, a parallelogram is already given to you, and we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So this side equal to this side, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So here this will be equal to this, but in the question itself they told that ki AB equal to BE. See this line I have drawn. Then if this one equal to this one and this one equal to this one, then we can say this will be equal to this over. Now vertically opposite angle, this angle will be equal to this angle over. Now since this is parallel to this one and this will act as transversal, that means this angle will become equal to this angle, will become equal to this angle, that is angle 1 equal to angle 2. So that means by angle side, this side, both the triangles are congruent. And once you made it congruent, then only one small work, okay, only one small work, you can say by CPCT this side will be equal to, that is by CPCT this side will be equal to this side. And we had to prove this only. We have to say that this bisects it into 2 equal half. This line is bisecting this side into 2 equal half. And by that proof we have exactly made it that this side is already equal to this side. That means ED bisect angle BC. ED bisect angle BC. I hope Kanishka you might have understood. We will go for the next question, please. Shall we go for next question? Now one very important question, okay, one very important question. Now from this section we are going to discuss the important part where it is exactly going to ask. Now NCERT one question I am giving you. Let's see you are able to solve this question or not, because now we are going to prove that first thing we are going to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. If its one pair of opposite sides are opposite sides are equal and parallel. You can get this type of question for 2 marks. You can get this type of questions for 2 marks. So that means you have to prove that. Okay, means now what you have to do, come on, this type of questions we have done many a times. So now I want your assistance. I am not going to write given to prove that, because already you know one pair what question they are telling. This is a theorem, absolutely correct Kanishka, and this theorem they can give you to prove for what, 2 mark. This is a very very important part, and they can give you this theorem to prove. So what is exactly given to you? Given that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. So a quadrilateral is there. So we are going to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Now this quadrilateral will be a parallelogram if its one pair of sides are equal and parallel. Okay, one pair of sides are equal and parallel. So only one side we are going to take equal and parallel. So now what we are going to do? If we are going to take only one side equal and parallel, so we can say that okay, given section is what? What is the given section here? That ABCD is a parallelogram. Given is what? Given is ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. After taking ABCD is a parallelogram, now AB means given side they are telling that one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. So since one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel is there, that means we can take this one pair of opposite sides. So AB will be parallel to DC and AB will be equal to DC. So I have taken one pair. I have taken this one is parallel and equal, but it is a quadrilateral, it is not a parallelogram right now. Okay, because in parallelogram na, if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then other pair automatically will become equal and parallel. So their load will not be there, directly you can put it. Their load will not be there, directly you can put it. So now here we are going to write, given ABCD is a parallelogram, AB is parallel to DC and AB equal to DC. ABCD is a parallelogram, AB is parallel to DC and AB equal to DC. So once we have done this work, now next important work is AB is parallel to DC and AB is exactly equal to DC. Now next important part is we have to exactly prove what? To prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, now proof section. AC is the diagonal. We know already AC is the diagonal, but we can write in construction also to join per diagonal. See, this is exactly called as construction extra fitting. So just to make the answer bit look beautiful, I am just adding this point out. Construction section I am just adding it out. I am just saying that okay, joining AC. Now proof. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now we are going to take these two triangles. Now if we are taking these two triangles, what and all content will be exactly coming equal? Yes, ABCD is a quadrilateral, Vishal. After that, second point, what you are going to say? You are going to say that this angle will come equal to this angle. Yes or no? That two angle will come equal to each other. We can say directly. Huh? Shall we say this? Very easily we will be able to prove. So now look here. So we are going to say that in triangle ADC and triangle ADC ABC. Now AB will be equal to DC given. This part will be equal to this part already given. Okay. Now angle BAC equal to angle DCA, alternate interior angle. Ayo, We cannot say alternate interior angle. Shall we say alternate interior angle? Yes, we can say. We can say alternate interior angle. We can say alternate interior angle since AB is parallel to DC and AC acts as transversal and AC acts as transversal and AC is acting as transversal, so this angle will be equal to angle 1 will become equal to angle 2. Now AC equal to AC will become common. AC will become equal to AC common. So once you will make AC equal to AC common, then you will say that okay fine, both the triangle by side angle side, triangle ACB, a triangle, what triangle we have taken? We have taken triangle ADC is going to be congruent to triangle ABC by side angle side. Then by CPCT, what we can make equal? By CPCT, we can make, very good beta, very good Sika. So by CPCT, we can say AD will be equal to BC by CPCT. AD will be equal to BC. But AD will be equal to BC by CPCT you have proved. So now line AB is also intersecting na AD equal to BC. So once you are writing AD equal to BC, also shall we make these two triangle equal? I am going to make this angle 3 equal to angle 4 by CPCT. So that means angle DAC equal to angle ACB by CPCT. Now since this angle equal to, so already AD equal to BC is coming. So by prove AD equal to BC we have proved. Now this angle is also equal to this angle. So now what content here is कि now angle 1 equal to converse of alternate interior angle, that is angle 3. That is angle 3 equal to angle 4. So by converse of alternate interior angle, AD will become parallel to BC. By converse of alternate interior angle, because we can directly say that converse part is there na, so we can use the converse section. So by converse of alternate interior angle, we can directly say that therefore AD will be parallel to BC and AD will be parallel to BC, AB will be parallel to CD. Therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Yes beta, that is what. So what one small work I have done na, I went by converse of alternate interior angle. See, if parallel will be there, then alternate interior angle will come automatically, and if parallel and any transverse is exactly there, then ultimately alternate interior angle will come. But when we will go by converse, then we are proving that kyunki opposite angles are there, that means the lines are exactly drawn will be also parallel. So that is the converse of alternate interior angle directly we have taken. So now I think you are feeling very bored with quadrilateral. Shall I give you some other question chapter, polynomial question 1, 2? So last 2 questions polynomial can I give you? Let's see. Last polynomial questions can I give you? So 1-2 days more we will be finishing it. Ready everyone? Everyone got ready. Super. Now one simple question I am giving you. 2x4 minus 2x4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 14x square minus 19x minus 6 factorize. Factorize. Oh, time up na. Arey, I'm going to start. Factorize. So we are going to see the constant term. We are exactly going to see this part 2 also. So constant term means here first this factor 2. So plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6. Anyone can satisfy this p of x. As fast as possible I am going to solve. So if I am going to put here 1, 2 plus 1, 3, then it is not going to exactly going to prove our point. But if it will be minus 1, so 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 14, 1 minus 14 will become 13, minus 13 minus 6. Okay, so when let x will be equal to minus 1. So when you are substituting p of minus 1, it will become 2 into minus 1 to the power 4 plus minus 1 cube minus 14 into minus 1 square minus 19 into minus 1 minus x is there. So it is going to be 2 minus 1 minus 14 plus 19 minus 6. So it is going to be 1 minus 13. So minus 19 plus 19 is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 1 is the solution of p of x, and x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. So solution is there and factor. So this factor will definitely divide this. So x plus 1 will divide 2x4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 19x minus 6. So it is exactly going to be 2x cube. So 2x cube minus cancelled plus 2x4. It is going to be now 2x cube minus. So minus x cube minus 14x square minus 19x minus 6. So minus x square, it will become minus x cube plus cancel minus x square plus, so minus 13x square minus 19x minus 6. So minus 13x square plus cancelled, so minus 13x plus, so it is going to be minus 6x minus 6. So minus 6 I am going to put. So minus 6x minus 6 plus and plus got cancelled. So that means we got to know that one factor is coming as x plus 3. So you know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is your dividend, that is 2x4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 19x minus 6 will be equal to x plus 1 2x cube minus x square minus 13x minus 6. So again one more time we have to use a factor here, because here one part is exactly coming but it is not going to get factorized. So here again if you will substitute 1 here, it will become what? Here you have to substitute. If you are substituting 1 here, 2 minus 1 will become 1. So it is never going to satisfy. So we are exactly going to split it. Okay. 10th class have school. Okay. So this part you have to just split this section. Okay, you just have to split this section, and once you will be splitting it, x minus 2, this substitute here x equal to minus 2. The moment you will substitute here x equal to minus 2, it will become 0. So minus 2 will become one of the factor. So x equal to x plus 2 will become factor of it. So 2x cube minus x square minus 13x minus 6 will be there. So 2x square is there. So 2x cube minus cancelled plus 4x square minus, so minus 3x square minus 13x minus 6. So minus 3x. So minus 3x square plus cancel minus 6x plus. So it is exactly going to come as gone. 5 is coming here. Minus 5x square minus 13x minus 6. So here you are going to put minus 5x. So minus 5x square plus cancel minus 10x plus, so minus 3x minus 6. So minus 3 you put. So now factor is coming as x plus 2, 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Take factorization. It is going to come as 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. So it is going to be x plus 1, x plus 2, 2x plus 1 and x minus 3. So 4 factors are possible. 4 factors are possible. Okay. So now I am going to start class 10th because they have today test. So I am going to keep it till here.